I'm Yuto, and today on Stachi I'm going to show you how to make a quick and comforting Japanese version of egg drop soup we call Kakitamajiru in just 10 minutes. First, you will need to pour 500ml of dashi into a saucepan. You can use my recipe for homemade dashi, or if you want to save time, you could use dashi packets. Season that with 1 teaspoon of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of salt. Then bring it to a boil over medium heat. This soup is quite subtle, but you can add more seasoning to taste if you like. While we wait for it to boil, I'm going to make a slurry. Add 1 tablespoon of potato starch and 1 tablespoon of water to a bowl and mix until smooth. This will thicken the soup and help the egg ribbons float. We'll also prepare the egg now, so crack 2 eggs into a container and whisk until the yolk and whites are combined. Once your broth is boiling, add about 30 grams of sliced Japanese leek or regular leek. Reduce the heat to a simmer and let the bubbles die down a bit before pouring in the slurry. I find this helps prevent the slurry from forming gummy lumps in the broth. Once it's mixed in, you can increase the heat once more. When the broth is boiling again, pour in your egg mixture 1/3 at a time and let it firm up before adding the next third. Adding the egg will bring down the temperature of the soup a bit, which is why we add it little by little. Once it's all in, mix it with chopsticks to help break the egg apart, then take the pan off the heat and we can dish it up. Because of the starch in the broth, the egg ribbons flow evenly throughout the whole soup rather than sinking to the bottom. Add a few chopped green onions and some shichimi togarashi for a finishing touch. And that's it, delicious Japanese style egg drop soup in 10 minutes or less. And great news, I've launched a free mobile app that makes following along with my recipes even easier. It's the perfect kitchen companion after watching my videos. You can access step-by-step instructions right on your phone while you cook. The download link is in the description below. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you want to read the written version or check out my other recipes, you can find them on my blog, the link is on the screen. And if you're interested in more soup recipes, check out the soup playlist on the screen too. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you next time. Bye.